cost management system, an application that helps users estimate shipbuilding costs and expenses like material costs, labor charges, bank guarantee charges, etc. for a particular project. After login, the user lands on this homepage. Master data contains all the rates and charges that will generally remain constant for a particular period of time. For example, under the category of material rates, we have escalation rate, freight and insurance, customs duty, etc. In this case, the escalation rate of 3% is valid from 1st May 2022 to 1st May 2026. The user can add a new rate by clicking on the new button. The user needs to enter the new rate and the new validity dates. By default, the newly added rate becomes the active rate. Similarly, we have bank guarantee rates, foreign exchange rates, etc. The project tile contains the list of created projects. User can add a new project by using the Add Project button and entering the required details and clicking on Save. Let's open an existing project. This is the Project Overview tab that contains the basic details of the project. The Vessel tab contains the list of vessels along with their delivery dates. New vessels can be added by clicking on this new button. In the Stages tab, project stages can be added. Here, there are 6 stages from the signing of the contract till the delivery of the vessel. Corresponding to each stage, the payment schedule for each vessel can be viewed. This is the Purchase Orders tab, where the user can import the list of purchase orders from an Excel document. Manual entries can be added as well. In the Material tab, the user can similarly import the BOM for the ship. For each material, the corresponding purchase orders are fetched and displayed over here. The user can then assign the desired purchase order from the list to the material to estimate the cost of that material. The type of the material denotes if the material is indigenous or imported. The materials that are of type indigenous are automatically displayed in the Indigenous Material Cost tab along with the assigned purchase order. The order quotation value is fetched from the assigned purchase order. The user can enter the cost breakups like the main equipment order, OBS cost, STTA cost, documentation and training costs. The check sign represents the cost breakup correctly adds up to the order quotation value. The user can enter the escalated up to date to calculate the escalation amount based on the escalation rate which was previously entered in the master data. This override button allows the user to override the master data for this particular project if required. The user can choose if they need to add third-party inspection charges for that material. This will also be calculated automatically based on the master data rates. If some part of the indigenous material has been imported, the user can enter the import content percentage to calculate the customs duty charges. Based on all of these costs, the estimate for that material is calculated in this column. Similarly, in the Import Material Costs tab, the materials of type imported are displayed along with their assigned purchase orders. Here, the process is almost similar to that of indigenous material. Since the materials are imported, their total value after currency conversion is calculated and displayed in the total FOB value column. The user can choose if the material is of type FOB, that is freight on board, in order to apply the cost insurance freight or CIF charges on that material. The total estimate of this material is calculated and displayed in this column. The Bank Guarantee tab allows the user to calculate the advance bank guarantee charges for each vessel in every project stage. The user can similarly calculate the performance bank guarantee charges and the advance bank guarantee charges for B&D spares. This is the report section for analysis of costs. The user can view reports like advance bank guarantee charges for each vessel and stage, the comparison of indigenous and imported material costs, the import content percentage of indigenous material.